Just like the soca switch, a lot of people have switched up their diets so they could get their carnival bodies ready for the road on Carnival Monday and Tuesday. And this means for most people, salads and trendy diets. But this pigeon pea soup should fit right into your carnival regime. And if it doesn't, you should try it still because it's wholesome and delicious. Now I used some leftover frozen pigeon peas I had in the freezer from the holiday season. Now you could use fresh peas like I did here, but the peas from the tin would work just as well and it'll actually reduce the cooking time considerably. Starting off with some oil in a pot, we're going to sweat some onions, garlic, pimento, 4 cups of pigeon peas, 1 bay leaf, some fresh herbs, you have thyme, chive and celery, season with salt and pepper. Add 1 cup of coconut milk. You're going to cover this and allow it to simmer for about 15 minutes. Add 4 cups of water. You want to allow this to cook for about 1 hour. If you have a pressure cooker, this should take about 25 minutes. Unfortunately, I don't own a pressure cooker, so in the meantime, I'm going to get some work done. After about 1 hour, the peas are cooked until tender, and you want to add the mixture to a blender and blend till smooth. Remember not to seal in that hot mixture in the blender and pulse it before you go into full blend mode. If you don't do that, you're going to end up with an explosion, a huge mess, and possibly some burns. So be very careful with this step. Now I found my final mixture to be a bit too thick, so I added another cup of water. Grate a little fresh nutmeg on top and garnish with some fresh herbs and you're good to go. Now you might think this won't be a filling meal, but it is, and actually there's great benefits to blending it that allows it to stay filled for a longer period. I'll link to an article in the video description that breaks down the science behind that. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more great content, and I'll post the full recipe on our website at eatahfoodtt.com. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.